coach for them, and your enthusiasm and giving up your own time. I know you've got a lot of other sports and things you're interested in, but you're always available for the kids. You're always here, and you just show them some great moves and really just help give them a love for rugby. So well done, mate. Well deserved.
Hey Nick, well done, mate. This is a great reward. You fully deserve it. I think you're awesome with the kids, and it's great just to see a young guy showing some maturity in the way he deals with what he does. I appreciate your time, your efforts, your commitment. Really well done. Thanks, mate.
G'day, mate. Well done for your achievement and your award. It's not an easy thing taking a bunch of 5- or 6-year-old boys, especially on a Saturday morning, every Saturday. The way you work with the boys is amazing. I took training a couple of times, and believe me, it's not easy, but you make it look easy. And you're not only doing it for rugby, but for other sports as well. So congratulations on your award, mate, and have a good one.
Nick, this is an amazing award. We're very, very proud of you. From the time I met you on the cricket pitch a couple of months back to the day I asked you whether you wanted to come and coach our River Rugby team, the enthusiasm that you bring to the kids is something awesome. The fact that you are so smiley all the time, you hardly get grumpy, and you have made us really, really proud of you. The kids are mad about you. They think you're cool as you Kiwi say, and we're really, really proud of you. You're an awesome, awesome kid, and we hope to watch you go further in your sporting career and throughout your life. Cheers.